A report released by a statewide nonprofit in Harrisburg says Pennsylvania has a growing number of children with no health insurance.
This came as a surprise to the nonpartisan nonprofit. Ireland Viscount reports.
The Pennsylvania Partnerships for Children says the Commonwealth is one of 3 states seeing this increase.
Research is showing that kids who have health insurance are healthier and do better in school.
The number of kids in Pennsylvania without health insurance climbed from 4.4% in 2021 to 5.2% in 2022, surpassing the national average of 5.1%.
Our initial reaction was unexpected to see that had grown. And also disappointment.
In the mid-state, Lebanon County had the biggest increase of uninsured kids at 11.13%. Ludwig says she was surprised by the increase because during COVID, Congress passed a law that said once a person was enrolled in Medicaid, they could not be unenrolled.
And that lasted for 3 full years during the entirety of the public health emergency. That just expired last spring in 2023.
Ludwig says it's difficult to pinpoint why this is happening. One thing data shows is the number of kids who had private health insurance decreased.
But then we did not see the numbers reflected over in Medicaid or in CHIP to see the increase there on that side. So the result of which is that those children and those families who lost coverage, at least in the data that we saw, subsequently weren't covered.
Ludwig wants you to know there is health coverage available to help children in Pennsylvania.
Our CHIP program here in the Commonwealth is actually one that provides a benefit for all children in the state when it comes to their families' incomes. There's no cap.
Ludwig says the Department of Human Services in Pennsylvania has proposed a change in one policy that will provide health insurance for children from birth to kindergarten. Ludwig hopes the policy receives federal approval as data shows kids under the age of 6 are more likely to be without insurance than school-age children. In the studio, Ireland Viscount, ABC 27 News.